Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best IPTV players to your Firestick, as well as how to set them up. And firstly, you gotta have the app called Downloader on your Firestick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course follow me. So firstly, we go to the search on the Firestick, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here's the app, which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So in order to set up the downloader now, you go to settings, by clicking this button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So, if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it said no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here, what you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to a list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is. Let's open it. And here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in the VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Romania right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you wanna stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and then head straight into downloader. So let's open it up as well, and then open the search bar, and in here we'll have to enter the links or the codes to get the best IPTV players on your Fire Stick. And the first code is gonna be TiviMate.com. So let's enter this link. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see. So it's TiviMate.com. So here's the link. You can see it on your screen right now. Just enter it as you see it there and click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And then when this website opens, you just have to scroll it down a little bit and click on the Download APK button. So here you go, just click on Download APK and now the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click Install and now the app will finish installing to the Fire TV stick. And after that, do not click on Open yet, instead press Done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So just click on Delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. And now, what you gotta do next is go to the list of apps on the Fire TV stick, and here at the bottom you will find this new IPTV Player app. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your remote. Just click on it and press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. And now let's finally open this IPTV player. Here we go. Let's open it up. And now it's actually super easy to set up. You just have to click on Add Playlist. And then it depends on your IPTV provider. If your IPTV provider gave you an MVU link, in that case you click on MVU playlist, click on Enter URL and enter the link, which was given to you by your IPTV provider. Then just click on Next and the playlist will appear in your application. Alternatively though, you can also use extreme codes. In that case, if your IPTV provider gave you an extreme code, you select this option, then enter the link here in the server address bar, and then also add a username and a password, which should be given by your IPTV provider. Then click on Next, and the playlist will appear in your IPTV Player app. So that is the first amazing IPTV application we got for you, but there's one more app, which is also really good and totally free to use. So let me show you how to get it as well. We get back to Downloader app, erase the old link, and now the next link is gonna be IPTV Smarters. .com. So here you go, just enter the link exactly as you see on my screen and then click on Go. And now the second website has opened as well. Let me scroll it down until we find the downloads page. Here it is, the downloads page. And now we need to download the Android version of the app because Fire Sticks are Android-based devices. So click on Direct Download APK Files right here. And now the new web page will open. If the download doesn't start automatically, then click on that green Click Here button in order to start it downloading manually. But usually it all starts in a couple of seconds, as it did for me. So now we are downloading this second IPTV player for your Amazon Fire Stick device. Then just click Install and make sure that this app also gets properly installed to your Fire Stick device. Then, just like previously, we click Done and delete the unnecessary installation files from your Fire Stick device. And then let's return back to a list of applications on your Fire TV stick. So here it is, obviously. Let me open it up. And there is the second IPTV player. Let me also put it to the front of the list and then open it up. So this app is called IPTV Smarters. Here at the beginning you have to select your device type. Obviously it's gonna be TV. Click on Save. Then you will see a license agreement. And just scroll down and click on Accept. And after that, again, you can also either use an M3 link or the extreme code. If you are given an M3 link, then you select this option, add any name to your playlist, and then either upload it as a file or as a link, which you need to input right here. And then click on Add a Playlist button, and then it's gonna appear right here in the list of playlists on your device. And alternatively as well, you can use the extreme codes option. So in that case, you add any name to the playlist and then username, password, and a link, which are usually given by your IPTV provider. Then click on Add a Playlist, and it all is gonna appear in your Firestick application. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.